What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where I don't do these types of videos often, but I saw something pretty radical out there on an Alfa Romeo Stelvio quadrifoglio and had to bring it to the spotlight. Now, this is not a paid promotion or anything like that, just something that I saw and want to share with you guys on the channel. Now, we know that the Alfa Romeo Stelvio is one of the sportiest SUVs money can buy and one of the most beautiful. The driving dynamics are amazing. I mean, we love the performance focused quadrifoglio. Now, what I'm seeing here today is an SD carbon fiber kit, which is a wide body kit for the Italian SUV. Now, this looks very radical and I know it's not going to be for everyone, but I think this is nice that you can get something like this because the aftermarket world, well, it's not huge for the Alfa Romeo Stelvio. You know, a lot of people focus on the SUV segment, but on the German SUVs like the Q5, the X3, and the GLC. But a custom carbon fiber body kit with SD carbon, well, it's quite expensive, but it drastically changes the appearance of the Stelvio, and I want to know what you guys think about it. Now, let me get more into it. The most eye-catching feature, well, you can tell, the front and rear fender flares. They're made from FRP. You can see from the photos, especially on the blue Stelvio, that it vastly increased the width, which makes the car use spacers more than necessary to bring those wheels in line with the fenders and add-ons. Now, a set of aftermarket wheels or tires will probably look more fitting than anything stock. But to add on to the look of the fenders, there's also the extension of the front bumper with a very prominent carbon fiber splitter, the optional vented hood with FRP or carbon fiber add-ons that adds a lot more aggressiveness. You also have wide side skirts, a ducktail spoiler, a large roof spoiler that has been added to the mix as well, together with a carbon fiber diffuser. Now, obviously, the latter looks weird with the dual exhaust tips, so owners will probably upgrade to beefier quad ones unless you have a quadrifoglio model. All those parts will definitely limit the off-road capabilities of the Stelvio, but a lot of people might not use the Stelvio as an off-road warrior or let alone a track-focused SUV, but more something road-focused, everyday driving, that something like this might make sense for them. So according to the company SD Carbon, the body kit was created for the base variants of the Stelvio. However, a UK-based company called Deranged has made some changes and retrofitted it to the full-blown quadrifoglio model. So you'll see that also in red in front of their shop. Now, this unique model came with a set of 22-inch Volson wheels and didn't feature any performance modifications. It wears the stock twin-turbo 2.9 V6 that produces 505 horsepower, 377 kilowatts, 512 PS right from the factory. Now, at the moment, there's only one wide-body Stelvio quadrifoglio known to exist in the UK, while the other ones are all non-quadrifoglio models wearing the styling kit. So the entire kit is offered at the Performance Speed Shop in the US, priced at $6,180, excluding the hood. Now, alternatively, you can opt for the individual purchases of the 1,512 carbon fiber hood, $880 for the FRP hood, $1,290 for the front lip, $1,680 for the FRP front fender flares, $760 for the side skirts, and $480 for the ducktail spoiler with a $680 rear spoiler and a $1,290 diffuser. Now, the aforementioned prices are for a woven carbon fiber pattern with gloss finish, since the optional forged pattern is 20% more expensive, and the matte finishes add a further 10% to the cost. So with that said, I know, again, it's not for everybody, but it is something that is out there for some who want to be different and want to change some things up. Maybe they've had their Stelvios for a little while and, you know, just kind of want to keep it fresh and be really unique on the road. So wanted to throw it out there. I saw it. I mean, I have to report on it for you guys and show it off. And I want to know down in the comments, hot or not, hey, my feelings won't get hurt. Let it all out down in the comments below. What do you guys think about this carbon fiber SD body kit for the Alfa Romeo Stelvio? Now, with that said, if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you guys give it a big thumbs up because, you know, giving it a like will help get it up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we can have a bigger discussion on this carbon fiber wide body Alfa Romeo Stelvio kit. Now, with that said, if you guys enjoy what I do here and want to help further support the channel, always check the links in the description below. I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, my Cash App, my Venmo, and my Patreon just in case you guys want to donate an extra $1 or $2 to the channel. Appreciate that extra love, guys. Thank you so much. You guys can also check out the Ron's Rise merch in case you guys want long sleeve shirts, stickers, tank tops, hoodies, everything Ron's Rise is there. And I'm also on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter. See everything I'm posting, Ferrari, Maserati, Alfa Romeo, and Fiat, just in case it doesn't make it here to the channel. And make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click the notification bell so you don't miss one video. With that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise video. Peace.